Cassie.
There's Cassie. All right,
Hanging out on a stick.
Matt and Jill, I'm going to put this on what's that? YouTube.
Match.com?
No, YouTube.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Match.com. Cassie eating a stick on Match.com. Here's Cassie on YouTube. This is YouTube material. There she goes.
Look at her shaking that ass.
Well, she put down the stick. I don't think that stick was good. And she's breaking down another stick.
Dude, look,
There
she's
she
such a pig.
There
There goes
she-
Snuffleupagus. Look at her, she's just gonna demolish that stick.
It's kind of like you and I are Diane Fossey, and that's a gorilla in the mist.
Yeah.
See, Hoover doesn't even want that stick. I think Hoover. Tuners.
Look at Tuners, what's he eating?
Did you just fart? Tuners.
No, I did not fart.
Tuners is just eating a blade of grass. Good job, fellas. But now Hoover's eating one.
They're all eating sticks, I think they're all famished.
Because when I'm keeping them on the same exact diet. Because Cassie has all these meds. I have this new strategy to make her take her medicine.
How? Starter?
No, well, yeah, that's part of it. But then the other part is I act like I'm taking away the bowl, and she gets really crazy. Oh, you're gonna take away the little food I am getting, because she only gets 2 cups a day. So when you have that going on, she thinks like, I've got to eat everything, and I pour glucosamine all over her pills so they taste a little bit better. So